Okay, let's look at these machines. The 1280, 1240, and 1580. How do we update the ink? How do we update the ink parameters? We click login, then enter the advanced password. Press and hold this icon for 5 seconds. On this screen, we enter the password corresponding to the date. The password changes every day. Let's enter today's password. 49834. Confirm. Okay, once we've entered it, we can see all the menus here. See, we find diagnostics. After clicking in, we click ink system, then ink. We take the ink and the corresponding solvent that we want to update. Insert the ink into the ink slot and the solvent into the solvent slot. Once inserted, scroll down in here. There's an update button. Just click update and that's it.